Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you two different ways to make a face mask. The first one I'm going to show you is how to make a face mask out of a paper towel. So here is an example of it. Okay, you just put it over your mouth like this, and then put the rubber band behind your ears. So this is how I'm going to show you this first. All you need is 2 sheets of paper towel, 2 hair ties or rubber bands, and 1 stapler. First thing you do is fold one part of the paper towel, then flip it over and fold the next. You continue doing that until the whole paper towel is folded. The next thing you do is take the hair tie or rubber band and put it on the edge of the paper towel. Then you fold the paper towel in and staple it so that it stays. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so after you do all of that, you open it up like this. And you can do either side showing, but I chose the side with the staples in it and the folded side to go close to me, so if I'm walking around, people don't see that part. So you just put it around your mouth like I said before, and put the hair ties around your ears, and there you go. You have it. There you go, now you have a paper towel face mask. Alright guys, so the next one I'm going to show you is how to make one with a bandana, okay? So this is the end product. So I'm going to show you how to make this. All you need is 1 bandana and 2 hair ties for this one. The first thing you do is fold the bandana in half. Then you want to fold the bandana into thirds. So one part to the middle and then the other part over the first part. Next, you fold both sides of the bandana in and make sure they meet in the middle. Next, you put the rubber band on one side of the bandana and then you just fold that side in, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Put the folded sides on your mouth. Put the hair ties or rubber bands around your ear. And there you go, you have a face mask. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I hope these masks help you. See you soon.